Welcome to the introduction of the new face of work. The way we work is changing, and it's changing rapidly. Thanks to the internet, a world of possibilities has opened up. People are no longer tied to traditional jobs. They can work from anywhere and choose their own hours. This is the new face of work. Online earning opportunities are transforming careers, giving people more control over their lives. They can now pursue their passions and achieve financial independence. This new era of work is not only exciting but also full of potential. Today we will explore the key trends shaping the future of work. Now, let's dive into the gig economy, flexibility, and freedom. The gig economy is booming, with more people than ever choosing freelance work. They are engaging in short-term contracts or specific projects, which offers great flexibility. People in the gig economy set their own schedules, choose their clients, and can work from anywhere with an internet connection. This freedom is incredibly attractive, allowing individuals to live life on their own terms. Moreover, the gig economy also offers variety. People can explore different industries, develop new skills, and build a diverse portfolio. Moving on to remote work, breaking geographical barriers. Remote work is another major trend revolutionizing how and where we can work. People can now work from anywhere in the world, connecting with companies globally and opening up unprecedented opportunities. Remote work offers numerous benefits. It eliminates commuting time, reduces stress, and allows people to work in a comfortable environment. Additionally, remote work allows companies to access a global talent pool, enabling them to find the best people for the job, unrestricted by location. Section 4. Technology as an enabler. Technology is the driving force behind these trends. High-speed internet has made remote work possible. Online platforms connect freelancers with clients. Software tools facilitate collaboration. They make it easier to manage projects. They streamline communication. These advancements empower people to work independently. Technology is constantly evolving. We can expect even more innovations. These innovations will further shape the future of work. Section 5. Real-life success stories. Many people are thriving in this new economy. Take the example of a freelance writer. She works from home. She writes for various clients. She sets her own rates. She enjoys the flexibility and freedom. Or consider a web developer. He works remotely for a company overseas. He collaborates with a global team. He enjoys the challenge and the diversity. These are just a few examples. Countless people are finding success in the digital age. They are using their skills to create a fulfilling career. Section 6. Work-life balance in the digital age. One of the biggest advantages of online work is work-life balance. People have more control over their time. They can integrate work with their personal lives. They can spend more time with family. They can pursue hobbies. They can take care of their health. This balance leads to greater happiness. However, it is important to set boundaries. It is easy to overwork in the digital age. People need to disconnect. They need to recharge. Section 7. The future of work. A glimpse into tomorrow. The future of work is exciting. Online earning opportunities will continue to grow. More people will embrace the flexibility and freedom they offer. Technology will continue to evolve. We can expect new platforms and tools. These advancements will create new possibilities. It is up to us to adapt and thrive in this changing landscape. We need to develop the skills necessary to succeed. We need to embrace the opportunities that lie ahead. The future of work is in our hands.